Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to disable to display country names on your map on the MapChart application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the first option, the create map, and here select a map type, and you go to the three lines at the lower left corner of the screen and scroll down, and in the show country names option, click to the white circle, and new this function is disabled. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.